Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to open your settings app. Here go for general and you have to go for software update, and you will have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. If you find any pending software updates, try to update your software. Then go back and go for screen time settings, and then go for content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have done, you have to go back and you have to check if your Wi-Fi is now working or not. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Once you have done, you have to simply go back and you have to check if your Wi-Fi is now working or not. If it's still not working, so you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black to make a refresh in your next system. Now to do that, just quickly press release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. Open your settings app again, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings here, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings on the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue must have to be fixed. But if you are still having the same issue after resetting your network settings, so you have to simply go back. Now you have two ways. The very first way is that you have to use your Apple Support app. You can use your Apple Support web or try to get official support, or you can use your PC or laptop to reinstall or reboot the complete software into your iPhone. And once you have done or you have to reinstall the complete software, your issue must have to be fixed. Or on Apple Support app, you have to open your Apple Support app, select your iPhone from here, select more option, then select Wi-Fi from here, and here you have to wait for this loading. Then select get more help, now select call us, and after that you'll get a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after doing this, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.